Welcome to the Ecom Academy Chapter Number 3 Warrior Plus Marketplace Overview. In this video tutorial, we're going to give you a detailed overview of Warrior Plus Marketplace step by step. So let's get started. So we're on warriorplus.com, which is its official home page. On the right, we have Home, Features, Login, and Free Sign Up button. Here it is written, your profile is our business. Best-in-class sales, automation, affiliate network, and education for digital business owners and online marketers, and a Learn More button. We will click on it. This is its features page. Here it is showing limitless sales funnels. At Warrior Plus, we don't believe in limits. Then we have unlimited upsells and downsells, unlimited products per page, multiple payment providers, dynamic pricing, split tests. Below we have tracking, stats, pixels. You can see details about it as well. Then we have affiliate offers galore, finding the best offer to promote, a little info about it, and get started button. Then know your customers, next. Multiple tiered commissions, easily managed affiliates, automated products alert, powerful modern API. Then there's even more features, coupon codes, pre-launch, easy ad placement, split testing, multiple payment options, delegate logins, affiliate accelerator, instant payments, affiliate sync, purchase history, vendor profiles, launch calendar. Then there's worldwide partner integrations. These all are their integral partners. Then you can create an account from here, or you can click on this home tab on top. So we are back on the home page and scroll a little down. We can see customer testimonials on it, and a little below their Get Started button. So that's pretty much about Warrior Plus. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 4. How to register on Warrior Plus. In that video, we will see how to register on Warrior Plus Marketplace step by step. See you in the next tutorial.